Hello friends, today we have to discuss how to generate a lead and the data which you have to work on them and contact to a customer. First of all, you have to open a tab, Fundu data. You have to enter Fundu data. Just enter any location which you have to get the data. Like I have entered Kolkata. Okay, just you have to enter. You have to see here and tab is open www.fundudata.com list of the companies in Kolkata. Okay, you have to just enter on them, enter in it, and you have to see in this site Awadh Sugar Energy Limited, Balmar Louis Limited, Balmar Chini Mills Limited, Bandhan Bank, Berger Paints, Birla Corporation, Century Plyboards. It means ki so many companies name is here. Okay, for these locations you have to just I have to give you example, Balmar Chini Mills Limited. Okay, if you want to get the contact number of this firm, okay, you have to just copy this firm name, okay, and enter a new tab and type here indiamart.com. Indiamart, yes, Indiamart is open. You see Indiamart, India manufacturing supplies exports. Okay, you have to just enter. You have to see here search option. You have to just paste, okay, and search. Okay, you have to see Balmar Chini Mills Limited is here, and Balmar Chini Mills Limited portal is open, and you have to see here the contact us. Okay, you have to just enter on them and we get a data of the persons. You see address of the for West Bengal, Binod Prasad is the manager, and the contact number is 8068442279. In this way we have to get a data from Fundu data and IndiaMart. The step is, first you have to get a data from Fundu. You have to just copy and paste in the IndiaMart and go in a contact us, and you get the details of the customer. This is the first way you have to got a data from the for the customer. Okay, and the second way, this is also useful to get a data. I have just example, I have to work on them, like a Bihar Industrial Associations, in which the all the industries in Bihar, you have to data of the customer, like Bihar Industrial Association, BIA. Okay, you have to just open BIA, Bihar Industrial Association. Due to the network problem, this will take time. Okay, wait. And the first I have say by Fundu data and the IndiaMart. This is the useful for getting a data, and this is the second way. Yes, you have to see BIA, Bihar Industrial Associations portal is open. You have to see here the membership. You have to just click membership and the member directory, and you can also search for the Kolkata, Bengal, like Haryana, Gujarat. I have just also give the example after that. Okay, uh, very slow website, that's why it will take a time. Okay, you can see here the company's name, AK Accessories, and so more. If you click on the so more, you get the details of the customer, of the persons who have registered on the Bihar Industrial Associations portal. Okay, I will just give you the example when this is open with. Okay, you can see here AK Salampur Association, AK Associates, AK A Lohia Associates, AV Ispat, Ashok Swaroop, Arna Foods Private Limited. I have to just give you example. When you have to click in Arna Foods Private Limited, you got all the details of the customer, like address, mobile number, mail ID, everything. Okay, you have to just see when this is open, Arana Foods Private Limited, like 100 of the customers, client name, mobile number, mail ID, all are entered in there. Sorry guys, this will take time. And yes, you can see Arana Foods Private Limited, office address Didarganj city Patna, pin code this, and the mobile number and the contact number is Manish Kumar, and here is the number Shubodh Kumar Jairaj, here is the number Jairaj is the number, food processing company, and all the details of the customer is here. Okay, and you can get the details and you can contact here to the customer by this way. This is the second process where you have to reach to the customer. And the third way, okay, third way is IIA, Indian Industrial Association. Indian Industrial Indian Industrial Association. Okay, you have to just enter welcome to the IIA. You have to just enter on them. Okay, and the same process, IIA directory. Here is members directory. Okay, search and locate. In a chapter you have to see the so many states name: Agra, Aligarh, Amethi, Bhagbatpur, Bareilly, Bijnor, Delhi, Greater Noida, Hathras, Kanpur, Meerut. Okay, you have to just Lucknow. Okay, enter on Lucknow and search. You have to see here the company's name and all the details are here, like Atul Candle Industry. You have to just enter. Here you can get a mail ID of the customer and the mobile number. Yes, here is the mobile number 9335809084, and this is the email address Deepak Birmani @yahoo.com. In this way you have to also get to the customer. Okay, this is the three way where which I have to work on them and contact to the customer. First by the Fundu Data India Mart, second is Bihar Industrial Association, and the third one is IIA. In this way we have to also contact to the other location to the customer. This is the best way for to contact list and to contact to the customer also. Okay, and you have any idea, you have also share with the team. Thank you so much.